Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Wonderopoly. Let's take a look at how student teams are going to be earning houses and hotels. Oh, they love this. So, there is going to be these little houses on the left-hand side of each corresponding station that they are going to be on their scoreboard. Now, each team rolls the dice, or the dice have all the different icons on them. And if they land on a station that they already completed, let's say they already completed the battleship, which was the sketch noting, they get to cross off a house. Now, let's just say they roll again and they get the battleship again. They would get to keep crossing off that house. So once all 4 houses are filled, the team earns a hotel, which they really want very badly. Once all 4 of those houses, basically, once the team has rolled 4 battleships with the dice, because they already finished that station, the team earns a hotel. Hotels are super important for this game, this Monopoly style QRBREAKIN. So basically the final score comes down to using their math skills, their multiplication skills to figure out the points that they have earned when the timer is up. They get 2 points for each house. So they're going to be counting up all of their houses, multiplying those, and then they get 5 points for that special hotel. So they're going to count up all their hotels and multiply those by 5 or add them up. Once they figure out their total number of houses, total number of hotels, then they will figure out their total property value. Now, the team with the highest total property value wins the Wonderopoly QRBREAKIN. So really it's up to chance and rolling the dice, and students don't know who's going to be the winner until the last moment. So make sure you stick around for the next video. Oh yes, there's more.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.